those of you who don't know me, I'm Nicola, and I'm going to talk to you today about TVision support and how we can help you. So, within any software package, there are inevitable bugs, but I'm not here today just to talk to you about bugs, because there's more to TVision support than that. So today I'd like to take you through what tools are available to you beyond the TVision support team, who the team are, and how we can help you. So firstly, what tools are available to you? So at a high level, TVision have a fully manned support desk who are based in our office in Woking. And over the last couple of years, we've taken advantage of new technologies, and we now have a customer portal. We run monthly webinars, and we have a YouTube channel. Microsoft also have a number of tools. These include help within the application itself. There's Microsoft Docs, which is a website. They also have a YouTube channel, and they've got an online learning portal. And third parties such as Global also have some help for you. So what are these tools and how can they help you? So firstly, TVision Support Desk. As I said, we're based in our office in Woking. If you have any issues, you can call us, you can email us, and the team can help you. We have a customer portal. Within the portal, you can see standard how-tos. You can see any change requests that you've signed off, any training notes or release notes specific to you. If you're not already using the portal, please let us know if you don't know your login details, and we can forward those to you. TVision webinar series, there's a monthly webinar that we do. We've run it for last year. Our previous ones have been things like account schedules, dimensions, and year end. All of these you can view on our website or on our YouTube channel. Also on our website, there's a list of the ones that are coming up over the next year. So topics include budgeting, which we're running in April, and importing data, which we're running in June. There is a monthly email that we do send out to remind you when the next reminder is, when the next webinar is, what the topic is, and how you can register. So if you'd like to be included on that email, again, please let us know. TVision's YouTube channel, as I've mentioned, our monthly webinars are on the channel. We also have a number of top tip videos, which are short 1 to 2 minute videos on topics such as using date filters, scheduling reports, and using notifications. So those are the TVision tools. What are the Microsoft tools? So within the application, there's help. So for example, within a customer card, if you press F1 or you click on the question mark, it will take you to help. They have a Microsoft Docs website where you can see step-by-step guides, or it also has sections on explaining concepts. So some of the things you can see, they have a section on managing receivables and managing payables. And then concepts, they have working with journals and working with dimensions. Microsoft also have a YouTube channel. On there are Nav and Business Central. So they do have more Business Central things than Nav, but the concepts are the same, as you've seen from Ian. So examples of the Business Central ones, you've got working with journals, posting groups, and dimensions. Online training. If you are enrolled in the annual enhancement plan, you will have access to Customer Source, and through Customer Source, Microsoft have an online learning portal. It has a large number of courses, both on Nav and Business Central, Topics include the basics of nav. Then they have Finance Essentials and Finance Advanced, and also a section on fixed assets. If you don't know your customer login portal, your customer source login, please let me know and we can get that arranged for you. So third-party tools, so as you've seen from Ben earlier, there's JET reports. So JET have extensive online support and help for JET reports and JET analytics. Topics include how to get started, how to install it, it's got troubleshooting, it's got forums, and if you pay your annual software assurance for JET, you can log a support ticket directly with them, and that's for technical support. They won't answer questions about specific reports that you have written. Because of the extensive online training and help that JET offer, we don't support JET directly, but we can help if you want JET training or if you want help with specific reports on an ad hoc basis. So those are the resources available to you. Who are the team? So, as we couldn't all be here today, I thought I'd put faces to names and introduce you to the team, so the guys at the end of the phone or at the end of the email. So Ian, who you've just met, Ian's been with TVision for 2.5 years. He has over 18 years NAV experience, both working as an end user and on support. Brad also has been with us for 2.5 years. He, prior to that, he worked at Links of London as an end user in the warehouse, so has extensive warehousing and stock experience. Alistair has been with us since June. He's had previous IT and customer service experience and has been learning the product since he's joined us. Myself, I've been with TVision for 15 years, many of those as a consultant, so I've worked with many of you on your projects. So how can the team help you? Primarily, we are here to help if you find any bugs or come across any errors when following your normal processes. We can also help if you need a new user or if you are using JET and need to amend your viewers or designers. We can also help you beyond what's covered in your support contract. So, for example, if you would like to explore a new area of the system, if you'd like some more training, either refresher training for existing users, or if you've got a new team member, if you need any changes to a report or other functionality, or if you would like to refresh your test database, we can help with all of those things. So if you do come across a bug or an issue and need to report it to us, how can you help us to help you? That's it. So the art of bug reporting. What are the useful things that you can tell us to help us find the bug? So firstly, tell us about it. The best way to report the issue to us is via a super user. Now, why is this important? The super user will know your internal processes and will know if the user should be doing what they're trying to do. The super user will also be aware of any other departments or users that will be affected by this, so they communicate across the business. They will also be aware of any changes that have been made recently, either functionality changes, setup changes, process changes, or data changes that might have been done to cause this. Experience has shown that if we work with a super user to resolve the issue, it generally gets resolved quicker. So when you send us an email, please, in the subject of the email, put in a meaningful description. It just helps us to allocate the tickets out. Provide us as much information as possible, so include lots of screenshots, the steps that the user has done before they get the error, the transaction number if it relates to a transaction. We need to replicate the issue, which helps us then to get developer to fix it. Ideally, if you can do this in a test environment, it's better so we can debug it in there. We're not affecting users in live. Let us know when you first noticed the issue. So is it something that was working before and now isn't? And if it was working before, when was it working? Or is this something new that you're trying to do? So it might not necessarily have worked in the first place. Which company is the issue in? Is it relating to all users or just a single user? And finally, please tell us if the issue is business critical so we can prioritize it. So that brings to an end what I wanted to talk to you today about. Hopefully you've all gained some knowledge in the resources that are available to you. Please let me know if you need any logins for Customer Source or for the portal, or if you'd like to be added to the webinar email that goes out. Hopefully you found seeing the team useful and putting a face to a name. And please bear in mind when you do report issues to us, the different pieces of information that really help us to get the issue sorted quicker. The future of TVision support. We are looking at new technologies to help in the way that we support you. If you have any ideas of what you would like us to do, please let me know. If you would like, for example, to be able to view your tickets on the portal, to be able to raise tickets on the portal, if you would like more how-tos, if so, what would you like on there? If you'd like a particular webinar to be run, what you would like to see. If you think of anything, please do let me know. So thank you for your time.